Good morning from the heart of New York City. This is a Better Self Daily show dedicated to one thing: to learn and apply to live as a better self daily. I'm your host, Angela Sharina from Create Yourself That Today, your personal trainer, your personal health and wellness coach, your personal nutritionist, your fellow biohacker, and just someone with a lot of passion for healthy living, healthy eating, healthy food, movement, fitness, longevity, looking your best, feeling your best, and performing your best on all levels. Happy Sunday, everyone. And today is our episode about getting not just losing weight, but actually getting lean and seeing, maybe some muscle definition. Maybe you finally get to see your six-pack abs. A lot of people are asking me, something along the lines of, well, I'm losing weight, but I still look kind of flabby, and I still look like I have fat to lose. And no matter how much I weigh, I still look like I have, fat to lose on places where I don't necessarily want to see as much fat as I do. So what to do? How to actually get leaner? And a lot of you guys might be on weight loss journey and already, cutting the calories and eating as best as you can, and not seeing result at this point might be really, really frustrating and discouraging. So what's up with that? And the fix is actually really, really simple. And it's not about cutting your calories. If your goal is to get leaner and not just to get lighter on the scales, because the number on the scale doesn't really matter. Most of you guys probably don't want to be skinny fat. You want to look lean and fit, and you want to feel lean and fit. So getting lean is not about counting your calories and starving yourself. Getting lean is actually about macronutrients. We talk a lot about vitamins and minerals and fiber and how it's all important. But if your goal is to get leaner, if your goal is to see more muscle definition, to look more toned, then you gotta count your macros. You gotta measure it one way or the other. Like, guessing doesn't work in this case, especially for women who naturally have a higher percentage of body fat, and it's harder to get seeable muscle definition. So you gotta count your macros. Bodybuilders, fitness professionals, anyone who's getting ready for any kind of competition or photo shoot and they need to get lean, they know that the way to do it is to change your macros. You gotta lower your carbohydrates. You gotta make sure that you're eating enough protein for satiation, and you gotta make sure that you're eating enough fat for health. It used to be that a lot of fitness professionals, a lot of bodybuilders would cut down their calories and then fat and then eating basically all protein. But that's really, really not a great strategy, because it will leave you really, really hungry when you lower down your carbohydrates and your fats at the same time. And also your metabolic health, your hormonal health will not be at its peak and its highest potential, and that's going to affect your life and fitness performance and your energy levels and everything. So the way you want to do it, if you want to lose weight and if you want to look leaner, then eat either at the amount of calories that you need, and maybe ramp up about a little bit your fitness routine, your exercise, or be more active. You can also cut maybe a little bit of calories depending how much weight how much fat you want to burn. And then you gotta make sure that you're eating a lot of good fats from things like fatty fish, like nuts and seeds, like avocados, like olive and coconut oil. And then you want to lower your carbohydrates. And the leaner you want to get, that's what I noticed from my personal and professional experience. The leaner you want to get, the least carbohydrates you want to eat. And my personal rule also, I don't ever limit anything like green leafy vegetables, like non-starchy vegetables. Those you can eat unlimited, because it's really, really hard to not stay lean if the only carbohydrates you're getting are vegetables, non-starchy vegetables, fresh and slightly cooked green leafy vegetables. So you want to lower down your carbohydrates, and then you want to keep your fats up to have the energy, to have the health, to have the same amount of vitality and zest for your workouts and to still preserve your muscles. So again, if you want to not just lose weight, but burn fat and look leaner, then you cannot just guess. You gotta count your carbohydrates, your proteins, and your fats. And in every single case, if you're a woman, if you're a man, depending on your activity level, depending on your age, the macros, the amount of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in your diet will be slightly different. But for all of you guys across the board, unless you're a professional athlete who does a lot of running, triathlons, and a lot of that kind of work, then you gotta be really diligent with counting your calories. So I'm not a triathlon. I'm not a professional athlete. So I do count my calories. I don't do cardio, but I'm very, very good at counting my macros. And that's what I would recommend to most of you, because when you're consuming carbohydrates, your insulin levels goes up, and insulin tells also your cells to store fat and burn something else for energy. That's just how your biochemistry works, and you cannot trick it. You cannot, deceive it by doing some crazy shit. The most important thing I want you to remember, if you're on the goal to get leaner, not just losing weight, not just hitting a number on the scale, you want to look toned, you want to look fit, you want to see some muscle definition, then start counting your macros. If you need advice, on it, don't hesitate to connect with me. It's really easy for me to give you simple advice to get started. It takes almost no time for me, no energy. So shoot me email to Angela@createyourself.today, Angela@createyourself.today, and I help you to analyze what you're eating right now and what you can easily change to finally get the results that you actually want, to finally see the look in the mirror that you want to see. And again, you don't have to starve yourself. You just gotta be smart about it, know your body's biochemistry, and work with it, not against it, trying to guess I don't know what. So this is all for today. Again, guys, if you have any questions, want advice on your macronutrients intake and how to organize your meals, shoot me email to Angela@createyourself.today, Angela@createyourself.today. And till next time, have a beautiful day. Go and work out. Stay your fittest, healthier self. Invest in yourself and in your health. That's going to give you a lot of energy for all the things you want to do in life. Thank you for listening. Love you all, guys. And till next time, live as a better self today.